A very good evening to all of you. This is Shivam Shukla, and here I am to solve a problem on resultant of concurrent force system. It's a type 1 problem to find the magnitude and direction of the resultant force when the different forces are acting on the system. Let's see how the question statement goes as. Determine the resultant of the forces acting as given in figure. Find the angle which the resultant makes with the positive x-axis. So here it is, as you can see the diagram, questions diagram. We are supposed to find out the resultant force R as well as the angle theta which it makes with the positive x-axis. So there are different forces acting on the system, that's why it's a concurrent force system. Let's go step by step to find out the resultant R and angle theta. Okay. So just let us write it down. What are we supposed to find? So here it is, to find magnitude, that is R, and direction, that is theta. So now step 1. Let's go with the step 1, that is drawing the free body diagram. So now as you can see, we will be drawing the free body diagram one by one. So this is the questions diagram, entirely x-axis, y-axis, 70 Newton, 50 Newton, 25 Newton and 20 Newton. These are the four forces acting on the system. Let's make the free body diagram of it. So here it is. Let us draw. This is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Now we'll be considering the forces. One of the force, the second force, the third force and the fourth force. Okay, so let us just see to it and write down the forces one by one. So here it is, this is 70, this is 50, this is 25, this is 20. Also the angles are given to us. Okay. So here it is, this is 70 Newton, this is 50 Newton, this is 25 Newton and here it is 20 Newton. Okay, the angles, as you can see, this is 60 degrees, this is 45 degrees and here it is the angle as 15 degrees. Okay. So now we are going to resolve the forces one by one. As you can see, here it will be resolved as the x component, here it will be resolved as the y component. The same case for this, here it will be resolved for x and here it will be resolved for y. Okay, same way over here, here it will be resolved for x and here it will be resolved for y. I can write down the resolved components. Here it will be 25 cos of 60 and 25 sin of 60. Why friends we have done it? We are doing it by the method of resolution of rectangular components of force. Example, if I form a right angled triangle over here. So here it will be cos 60 will be adjacent by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 25 Newton force. Adjacent is Fx. That's why it will be coming 25 cos 60 over here. Same way the other forces will be written as, so here it is 70 cos of 45. Same way over here 70 sin of 45. Here it will be 50 cos of 60. Total angle is 60. And here it will be about 50 sin of 60 over here. Okay, this was the step 1 which will be consisting of 1 mark over here. Now step 2. Let us go one by one with the steps. Okay, step 2 will be considering summation fx towards the right as positive is equal to, one by one I will be taking the forces from the top. So here it will be, my dear friends, 50 cos of 60 plus 70 cos of 45 plus 25 cos of 60. As we are done with this stuff, so I will be just taking this and getting the value of it. So here it is, my dear friends, as I can see. Okay, once again I'll be getting the calculator. So here it is, so I can mention it, friends. Now 50 cos of 60 plus, so yeah, I'll be covering it, plus 70 cos of 45, close the bracket, plus 25 cos of 60. Here it is. Once we are done, I'll say equal to. Okay, let me go ahead with the same. 50 cos of 60 plus 70 cos of 45 plus 25 cos of 60. So here it is, my dear friends. The answer comes as 86.9974, that is 87 Newton. I can write it. Okay, so I'll be writing it over here, equal to 86.994 Newton. After decimal, 3 digits are expected to be taken since it is positive towards right. So this is summation fx. Friends, don't forget to write this over here. Now step 3, once I'll mention it, step 3, it will be summation fy acting in upward sense as positive. So here it will be, the equation goes as, you can predict it very well now. I'll be taking this 50 sin 60, then 70 sin 45, then minus 25 sin 60 and minus 20. Very good. So 50 sin of 60 plus 70 sin of 45 minus 25. Why minus now? Because it is acting in vertically downward sense. Minus 25 sin of 60 minus 20. So here it is. Now let's go ahead with the calculation over here. So now I'll start with the calculation. So it will be 50 sin of 60, close the bracket, plus 70 sin of 45 minus 25 sin of 60 minus 20. So here it is, 51.148. As you can see, my dear friends, the answer comes out to 51.148 Newton. Okay, so I can write it 51.148 Newton. And of course, the value is positive, it will be acting in vertically upward sense. Now step 4, R, that is magnitude of R, is given by root of summation of fx square plus summation of fy square. Okay, so here it will be root of 86.994 square plus 51.148 square. So here it is. I'll be just doing it in the calculator. I'll say the square plus 86.994 square is equal to, and the square root of it, square root of answer. So 100.916 Newton is the answer. So I can write it over here, friends. 100.916 Newton. Now in which direction the resultant is going to act? Since Fx is acting towards right, Fy is acting vertically upward, definitely the resultant has to act between the two. I can just show it to you over here like this. That is why resultant will be acting in first quadrant. So now the direction of resultant, that is theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of modulus of summation of Fy divided by summation of Fx. So therefore theta is equal to tan inverse of modulus means we are supposed to consider just the magnitude. Sorry. Okay, so here it is 51.148 divided by 86.994. So finally, therefore theta is equal to, the answer again we are going to calculate, tan inverse of, I'll say shift, then I'll say tan, that is tan inverse of course, tan inverse of the values were 51.148 by 86.994. 51.148 divided by, sorry, 51.148 divided by 86.994. So here it is, just complete the bracket. Okay, tan inverse by mistake it is not taken, we'll do it again. So here it is 51.148 by 86.994. 51.148 divided by 86.994. Okay, so let's check. 30.453, 30.45 degrees is the answer. So friends, I can write it over here, 30.453 degrees towards first quadrant, that is theta. So friends, therefore R is equal to 100.916 Newton at theta is equal to 30.453 degrees towards first quadrant. So friends, the problem is basically asked for 4 marks in the 4 marks or 5 marks in the paper. The marks distribution, how they are given it as summation fx along with the calculation part 1 mark if it is for 4 mark. This will be given again for 1 mark along with the calculation. Value of R, don't forget to write this, R is equal to whatever is the value, 1 mark, and finally the value of theta, 1 mark. This is the way how the 4 marks are divided. If at all it is asked for 5 marks, definitely yes, I forgot to tell, if at all it is asked for 4 marks, definitely this will be carrying the marks, this particular FBD. Half a mark will be substituted over here, so at least half a mark will be given for the free body diagram, and finally half mark over here. So this is how it will be asked for 5 marks. So friends, this is how the problem is getting completed. So please do like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you.